Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would learn how to solve the practice problem sum of odd and even elements. So first, let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question, we are given an array, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. First of all, I need to print the sum of all the even numbers. Okay. So that is 2, 4 and 6. Okay. Then we need to print the sum of all the odd numbers. Okay, so this is what we have to do in the question. Print the sum of even numbers and print the sum of odd numbers. So this is the question. So for solving this question, I would apply an approach. First of all, finding the total sum. Okay, total sum. Second, finding the even value sum. Okay, finding the even value sum. Okay, and then third would be subtracting sum minus even to get the odd values result. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the problem. Okay, so basically you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, then you need to find the problem sum of odd and even elements. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. So let's solve it. So here is the problem. Let's read it. Given an integer n, find the sum of odd numbers and even numbers from 1 to n. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. So let's start. Okay. So first step is finding the sum. So I would just apply the formula for finding the sum. Okay. Sum would be n, number of elements, star, n plus 1. Then this would be divided by 2. Okay, this is for finding the sum. Now n equal to n slash 2, that means floor division to find the half elements, right? Then I need to find the even sum, right? So 1 minute, let me write the correct spelling. Even equal to bracket 2 star n, okay? Then it is plus, then n, okay? Then it is star n minus 1. Okay. After this, I just need to return. Okay. Now, I still need to find the result for the odd value, right? So, it is int, circular bracket, then sum minus even. Okay. Then comma, I just need to return with integer value of even. Okay. Now, I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So, I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let's wait. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem, sum of odd and even elements. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.